Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. It is Wednesday today, May 26th, and we are heading to Bugo City because it's Fiesta Day, and we are heading to go to pick up my kids because they've been at Grandma and Grandpa's for the last 2 days. So I guess last 2 days, right? So yeah. So we're gonna go pick them up and we're gonna go to Bugo City and have fun for today, then come back here tomorrow in our place in Salag. Okay, we're gonna go. Beep beep. Hello. Bye for now. We'll see you tomorrow. Hello guys. I am in Salag still, and this is the section of the road that's not paved. It's still rough road. So today I'm going to give you an update of what's going on with the road construction in Salag and how it looks like after over a year, maybe just not a year, even like over 10 months worth of road construction here. And I am excited because the roads here are getting better, but this part is still rough. So this is the school here, the section that's rough. Okay, so this is the road here. Oh my god, that road is actually broken now. So this has been here for a long time. I don't know how long, but let's see. So this is the Salag proper. This is the town. Oh no, the barangay. The proper barangay. So this is where the new road construction started. So as you can see, there you go. It is a nice brand new road. There guys. So wow, there's clouds forming. So I'm so happy to give you an update of how our road here in Salag looks like at this point. So I can go fast now. Doesn't hurt my car anymore. But there's still part that is not done, but I believe they have at least a month worth of work and they'll be over, maybe even just half a month. So about 5 months ago, 5-6 months ago, this road is really rough. I remember those days, but now it's beautiful. It's all paved, guys. And thank you to the government who has helped Salag build a road. So Salag is about 12 kilometers away from Bugo City. 12 kilometers. That's like 7 or 8 miles away. Thank you. Thank you, sir. So it's pretty nice, right? So this is like this for 3 kilometers, I believe. this section here is a little tiny because this was already here before and they just left it the way it is. And then it continues after a kilometer. So the top of the hill there, the new road started. It's wider. The road is wider here, so I don't understand why they didn't actually tear everything apart and make a new road. So here they are still doing construction. I hope that I can go through. I don't have to back in. Let's see. So this part is still not done, but see all these guys working here. So this is the last. Oh shit! Sorry for my. Okay guys, I am back. I had to back out like all the way, like maybe 100 feet, because there was a truck right. I had to cut my video. Anyways, this is the last kilometer section that needs to be paved and they're almost done. So this is going to be nice when this is done. So this is the boundary of Salag to Bugon, and I will show you in a little bit. Okay, so that sign down there that says thank you, come again, that is the boundary of Salag. So that's going to be the end of the construction right here, and then the road is going to be dirt road again, and it's very small and bumpy and rough, and this is gonna be from here over to Guadalupe is gonna be like this. So that's the road situation here in Guadalupe, Salag, Guadalupe area. This is Guadalupe here now. I thought that they were gonna build the road until over at the big turn. So anyways, as long as the road is packed and filled, it's no problem. Sometimes the big trucks just tear the roads apart, and the rain, that's why the roads are really bad. So this is Guadalupe area now. Guadalupe is a barangay in Bugos City. It's the last barangay over on this side after Dakit. There you go. So the road's gonna be like this till I go to towards Dakit, and just showing you how it looks like. There's this part that's cemented, which is nice, but it's only like 250 meters. It's not long, so it's just up until here. I believe that Bugo City, they're gonna do road construction here soon and make this road wider and better. Imagine that this road has been like this for quite a long time. It's pretty wild actually. It's 2021 guys, and you still got no roads here. So no nice roads. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. That's the update on the road construction here in Salag, Tabugon. I'm very grateful for the success of having a nice paved road, and we get to enjoy it, all the locals and tourists alike. Thank you guys so much. Christy Wiesen here. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button so you will get all of the updates. Thank you and goodbye.